would you please, while I'm talking,
Okay.
be my Sue and slice up this onion, slice up the fennel into wedges, and the carrot into pieces like that big.
Ooh, tell the Iron Chef what to do.
My favorite part of this roasted root jumble is these lemons. Roasting the lemon caramelizes it and brings a little freshness
Just
to...
like that, raw.
Just raw and thinly
Great.
sliced, and then we're gonna do a special spice blend.
Okay.
So, like I said, it's called dukka, and traditionally in the Middle East, what would happen is you would take warm piece of bread, a little bowl of delicious olive oil, you would run your bread through the oil, and then in this spice blend, and that would be like a little snack.
Like black pepper and olive oil.
Yes, exactly,
Love
yeah.
this.
So what we have here is it's usually nuts and spices. Or if you came up from the Palestinian side, it would be legumes and spices. So I've done hazelnuts. Traditionally, it's pine nuts.
I love that.
So I've toasted them a little bit, and then I also toasted with coriander and cumin seed. Both of these are actually really good for your digestion. I'm not trying to get it too fine, but those hazelnuts are not going.
Want me to chop those?
Yeah, maybe we can chop them.
Sure.
You don't want it too fine. You want to have a little texture on there.
Yeah.
And then you're going to sprinkle that over here. Now, if you didn't want to do this, you could just do cumin and coriander. And then my favorite spice blend that comes out of the Indian kitchen is called garam masala, which means warm spice mix. So I'm going to sprinkle this in here and hit it with some olive oil. That's perfect, honey. Yeah, right in there. Thank goodness for you, GZ. So we're gonna hit it with some olive oil and some salt and
God,
pepper.
it smells like amazing.
I'm gonna put this in here, and I know it looks crazy pants.
Yeah.
Well, you called it a jumble?
I call it a jumble.
So it's jumbled up?
It's a very technical term. This is a 375-degree oven. You're gonna cook it for 20 minutes, and then at that point, you're gonna pull it out, and you're gonna sprinkle some feta cheese on top to make it just a little extra special. And then this is a great side for chicken. It's also really great if you,
close it for you.
Can you close it? Thank you, Sonny. You could put it over polenta and make it a meal. So then, and I love a fresh herb.
So
on
there's
top.
no liquid or anything in there?
No, it's
totally
it
dry.
should be just dry, and you know, I would actually just because it did dry out a little bit more, do a little sprinkle of olive oil. You're gonna get some juice out of that lemon too, and then some fresh herbs right on top. I've got
What's that?
cilantro, parsley, which is related to cumin, so they really do work very well together.
This is stunningly good.
Oh,
I mean, I'm going back. I want to finish
That means
this.
a lot, buddy.
It just looks so simple
Yeah.
and tough and raw and crude when you put it in, but
Yep.
everything just baked to perfection.